Space Song Rocket Ride by Sonny Scribbins. Illustrated by David Sim. Blast through the galaxy to our own solar system and explore the mysteries of space to a rocking beat. In the universe spins a galaxy. It's a spiral of stars called the Milky Way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. And the bright stars shine all around, all around, all around. And the bright stars shine all around. In among the stars of that galaxy is our solar system, where 8 planets spin. The planets that spin in the solar system, in the galaxy, where the bright stars shine all around, where the bright stars shine all around. In the middle of the planets shines a burning sun. The sun's our own star, a bright, blazing ball. The sun in the middle of the planets that spin, in the solar system, in the galaxy, where the bright stars shine all around, where the bright stars shine all around. And around that sun orbits our blue Earth, blue from the water that gives us life. The Earth around the sun and the sun in the middle of the planets that spin in the solar system in the galaxy, where the bright stars shine all around, where the bright stars shine all around. And around that Earth orbits a moon, turning every month, tugging at the tides. The moon around the Earth, and the Earth around the sun, and the sun in the middle of the planets that spin, in the solar system, in the galaxy, where the bright stars shine all around, where the bright stars shine all around. Look at all the stars. Whoa, asteroid belt. That looks like a shooting star. It must be a meteor. I think I can see Jupiter's moons. Wait, that's not a moon, it's a satellite. Is that a black hole? Whoa. Down on the earth, we watch the sky. The twinkling stars wink down at us. The stars in our eyes, and the moon around the earth, and the earth around the sun, and the sun in the middle of the planets that spin in the solar system, in the galaxy, where the bright stars shine all around, where the bright stars shine all around. The universe and us. We live on planet Earth. Seen from space, it looks blue because it's mostly covered in water. Earth is just one of 8 planets in our solar system. The sun that you see rising each morning and setting each evening is at the middle of our solar system. It is orbited by 4 rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and 4 giant gas planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Our sun is a star, a burning ball of gas. It is one of many billions of stars in our galaxy, which is called the Milky Way. Each of the many stars in the night sky is a sun like our own, and many of them have planets orbiting them. Our galaxy is just one of many billions in the universe, each of which contains even more stars and planets than there are grains of sand in a sandbox. Amazing things in the universe. Moons are usually rocky objects that orbit planets. Just as the Earth orbits the Sun once each year, our own moon orbits the Earth once each month. Other planets have moons too. Jupiter has over 50. Satellites are man-made machines that orbit the Earth and other planets. They collect data and transmit phone and TV signals. Some can be the size of a truck. Old satellites are abandoned in space. They become space junk. Shooting stars are small asteroids called meteors, which burn up in a planet's atmosphere. You can see them as beautiful streaks of light that shoot across the sky. Asteroids are rocky objects that are much smaller than the planets. They range from the size of a house to the size of a whole city. Black holes are powered by gravity, the force that keeps your feet on the ground. They appear to be black because the gravity is so strong that not even light can escape once inside. Unlike stars, they don't shine, so you can't see them directly. An astronaut's life on the International Space Station. 200 miles up above the Earth, astronauts are living on the International Space Station. It is continually orbiting the Earth. The astronauts float around rather than walk because there is no gravity. They sleep in sleeping bags attached to the wall with Velcro, so they don't float away while they sleep. The International Space Station was planned and built by scientists and engineers working in 15 different countries. Eating. Most food on board comes in packets and may need water added to it before eating. But astronauts do not eat fresh fruit and vegetables. Liquid is drunk through a straw from a carton because otherwise the droplets would float around. Playing. Astronauts enjoy many of the same activities you do here on Earth. They watch TV and movies, play music, read books, sing, sew, and can call or email family and friends. They also have to exercise each day. Going outside. Astronauts sometimes go on spacewalks. This could be to do experiments, test new equipment, or repair satellites or spacecraft. A special spacesuit protects them from the harsh environment of space and provides them with oxygen to breathe.